Dr. Rowland's presentation centered around 3 L's as she spoke to FSA families about being the example for their kids by listening, living, and loving. She shared that it is extremely important for parents to listen to their kids so that they can provide the right support during any situation, not just the current pandemic we are facing. This is how you can help provide a sense of control.
Yes, you cannot control the virus itself, but you can control what you can do so you can protect yourself, and even so you can teach your children how to protect themselves.
She encouraged them to live in the moment and talk, allow them to express themselves, answer their questions, and explain why we have to do some of the things that we are currently doing.
Why is it important, the social distancing? All of a sudden you can't go to school, or you can't go to the mall, or places that you so in certain restaurants.
Finally, make sure you provide a loving environment by focusing on the positives and organizing, not agonizing.
Look for positives within the not so positives.
Experiencing a sense of grief during this time is normal, but not dwelling on it is how you will succeed.